Hello, friends. I have a haul for you today. I went to a place called Solomon's Ventures on Atlantic Boulevard. I've been going there for years and years. I just pop in when I'm in the area to see what they have. They're like a salvage kind of store. But to be truthful, their shelves were fuller than the fresh market when I went there today. So I found prepping supplies. First strike, 250 matches, 50 cents. I bought 2 boxes of those. I found this mojo seasoning, dry mojo seasoning, $1.50. Expires in 2023. Now, if you go to this place, it's on Atlantic Boulevard, like I said, near the Harts Bridge. But if you go to this place, please check all your expiration dates, because they do have expired stuff. But it's some, it might be 2 months expired. If you take it home right then, you can eat it, whatever. But I just try not to get a lot of expired stuff, and I only get stuff if it doesn't have a long date, I only get it if I'm gonna eat it, in the next month or so. So I have this browning seasoning, $1. Grace's Browning. I walked into the Restaurant Depot. They sell the same stuff. It's about $15 a bottle. Of course, it's a bigger bottle, but it says Solomon's for $1.50. You only need one or a little bit, then that's a great find. This, I don't want to drop nothing. This was $1, and it is heirloom apple with maple syrup, like a jam or like a spread, for my charcuterie boards. And it doesn't expire till May 12th, which is close, but not expired. Then you have this good strawberry, no added sugar jam. And it was $1. And there's the date on that, 2024. This was a higher purchase, but aloe vera juice, 32 ounce, $4.95. And it is the date was on here. Let me see where it is. It was like 2024, 2025. There it is, 7/20/24. So this is fine. And one more thing. And I just ordered some of this off of Amazon, and it was something like $6 for 3 little tubes. And it actually went well with some pork chops. So, but this one was 50 cents, so I was kicking myself. And it doesn't expire till August. So I got that. And I just got some masks. They were like $8 for $1. So I do get them from Harbor Freight for 10 for $1, but I was there and I didn't have many in the car, so I grabbed 8 of those, 8 2-packs for $2. So that was 16 masks for $2, just to have little packs to keep in my purse and in the car. So I use this a lot. This is for your fruits and vegetables. There's something floating in here. Ooh, hold up. I see something floating. I won't be using that one. Not sure what happened with that. And it was $1. And it's for fruits and vegetables, but no sir. It does fruits and vegetables, shower build-up, clothing stains. Not that one. Let me make sure all of them weren't like that, because I didn't look. Sorry. But I use them for something, but it won't be on my fruits and vegetables. Now, this one is not like that. This one is clear, so I should have just looked at them. Maybe something got into that. Yeah, this one seems fine. It's clear. Not sure what's floating around in that other one, but oh well. I take a L on that one. Nothing's floating around in this one. It's just that one. Weird, but okay. So I guess you need to examine the stuff too, but you can find some good deals. So I bought 2 of these, but I already dropped one off. And it's some Total Disinfectant Cleaner. Kills cold and flu virus. Clorox Pro. So this is like janitorial stuff. And it was $2 for the gallon. And there's what it does. I've never seen it before. But looks like something good to me to mop with and everything. So I got that. And then they also had like other stuff that I just kind of took pictures of. Like they had coffee that expired in February. But I'm like, okay, we're gardeners. Especially if you don't drink coffee, because coffee is expensive now. If you don't drink coffee, then you can buy that $2 coffee, run it through something, or like do the drip or the something like that, and then you can sorry about that, TV came on. Do the drip coffee maker, or use a friend's coffee maker, brew it all up and use the grounds. And actually, I've poured coffee on my plants before, like a little bit, not a lot. But so, or give it to a friend and let them brew it up. So they had some stuff like that, and I took pictures, expiration dates, and prices of some other items. You see, if you see something you're interested in, you know, just give them a visit. If you live in Jacksonville, locally with me. If you don't, I'm sorry. But also they have them all over the country. It's like, look for salvage stores or something in your, Google that in your local area, and or treasure hunt stores, things of that nature, and you'll be able to find stores just like this, because this is not the only place they have them. We actually have three different people doing these kinds of stores. So look for it in your local area. You never know what you're going to find with the grocery prices today. Some of this stuff is sold in Whole Foods and Fresh Market. They even have a meat case. They have like the Just Egg. I don't take chances on the cold food because it is salvage. So I don't take a lot of chances, but they do have wine. My phone died. I couldn't get a picture of it, but they normally have some wines in there. So, I mean, look for it. See if you can find one in your area, but they are a good resource for low-cost goods. If you don't already have a stockpile, start making your back stock and fill in your daily eating with this kind of stuff. So, hope this helps someone. I'm going to follow, and I'm going to try to slow down the clips because they are photos, so be patient with me in my editing. But I am going to try to slow down the clips to like 5 or 10 seconds a piece so you'll get a good look. And I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.